Hey, curious minds. Have you ever looked up at the sky, seen those fluffy white clouds, and wondered, how can something that looks so light weigh so much? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of clouds and their astonishing weight. Now, it might sound absolutely bonkers, but believe it or not, a typical cumulus cloud weighs around 1 million tons. Yes, 1 million. That's equivalent to the weight of about 200,000 elephants. And yet, they float so effortlessly above us. How is this possible? First, let's break down what a cloud is made of. Clouds are composed of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that are so small, you would need a microscope to see them. These droplets form when water vapor in the air cools and condenses around tiny particles, like dust or pollen. Now, the key to their lofty existence lies in the density and size of these droplets. A cloud has a density of around 1.003 kilogram per cubic meter. That's a density that's around 0.4% lower than the air surrounding it. Each droplet is incredibly tiny and light, so light that the air beneath them can easily hold them up. This phenomenon is similar to how a tiny piece of dust floats in the air. It's not that the dust isn't subject to gravity, it's just that it's too small and light to fall quickly. Another part of the puzzle is the way clouds are spread out. Even though a cloud's total weight is enormous, this weight is distributed across a vast volume of sky. A cloud typically has a volume of around 1 cubic kilometer. To put it into perspective, imagine spreading 1 million tons over a volume that's often bigger than a whole city. This dispersal makes the overall density of the cloud much less than that of air at ground level, allowing it to float. Furthermore, warm air rises and cool air sinks. The base of a cloud is formed in a region where the air is rising. This rising air can help support the weight of the water droplets in the cloud and keep it afloat. So next time you're lying on your back, gazing up at the sky, and a cloud lazily drifts by, remember? It's not just a fluffy collection of water particles. It's a dynamic, floating mass, heavier than you can imagine, yet delicately balanced in the sky by the laws of physics. Isn't our planet just amazing? All right, that's a wrap on clouds and their deceptive buoyancy. If you enjoyed this little atmospheric adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-boggling facts. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.